Looking for a new home? This might be it. AAG recommends this 3-bedrooms condo. Spacious living and dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Study room that can also be your home office. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.